Hey guys, welcome back to another reset video. Welcome back. Happy Sunday if you're watching this on a Sunday. In today's video, I am extremely tired. That's what I want to say first. But I took care of my home. We ate dinner and put the kids to bed. It was now time to wind down because Kyra was not feeling well. She, was throwing up and stuff like that. So it was time for me to just kind of give the place a little, disinfect the countertops, the floors and stuff like that. And I decided to throw away these flowers because it's time for them to go, okay? They're dying, so it's time for them to go. And at the same time, I wanted to prep everything for the next day, which is for dinner. Oh, you know what? It is Saturday. Let me just make it clear. This was Saturday night. I wanted to make sure everything is prepped for Sunday, which is gonna be Sunday dinner. I'm here. I was debating if I should do curry shrimp, pasta, or fried rice. We went with fried rice, shrimp fried rice, of course. And I was here just prepping that for dinner. I didn't want anything too much because I was extremely tired from the day, which is now that you're watching this on the clipping, like the Saturday before. I was extremely tired because we went to do the rest of the kids back to school shopping and stuff because next week is school, guys. That part. But anyway, my house is clean and the kids, Kyra was not feeling well, so I had to take care of her. And I was like, you know what, everything is clean, let me get rid of the flowers, season this, and it's time for me to just take a shower and relax. And I did that, okay? When I tell you I was drained right here, but I wanted my Sunday to flow so smooth and normal, so I decided to do the seasoning of the shrimp from tonight. You understand? Anyway, that's done. I'm just wiping up the countertops and just making sure everything is good. Now it's time for me to go in my room, go in the bathroom, prep myself for shower, my skincare. I actually, even when I'm tired, y'all, I enjoy doing my skincare, taking a shower. It kind of boosts me up for a couple minutes before I literally fall asleep. Tonight we decided to set the mood, lighting our candle, and just get into that slow, calm, that type of mood, relaxing, not rushing anything. I'm just gonna take it one step at a time, and I did exactly that. I wanted to feel just relaxing, and then it's time for me to take a shower. Personally, I did not spend no time in the shower. We went straight in, we scrub our skin, making sure that the water is extremely warm so we could feel and just detox the body, like everything just, and it's time for bed. So that's exactly what I did. If y'all know, when you take a shower, something is different. Even when you're tired after taking a shower, you just feel revived for a couple of minutes, and then once you get into bed, that's it. That's just it. Now we're gonna go into skincare. I'm using the brightening set, which is absolutely my favorite. This cleanser has a scrub in it, and because I was on the road, the dirt and stuff from being on the road, I decided to cleanse my face twice. I did just that. I was here rubbing, scrubbing, because like I said, there's a scrub inside this cleanser. I did all of that, washed my face. I went back in again to do the second layer of the cleanser, and then I wipe my face off with paper towel. That's what I use. I personally feels it helps with breakout, and not using your bathing rag. Do not use your bathing rag to wipe your skin or your face, okay? So after we're done with that, we're gonna go in with our cucumber watermelon. There's so many good stuff with Hazel in this toner. Absolutely love it. It is everything, y'all. Like, this set tackles hyperpigmentation, dark spots. If you struggle with any one of those, this is the set for you. The green set, which is the brightening set. That's what I'm using now because I have no other else concern but dark spots, hyperpigmentation in the skin. When I'm done with this toner, y'all will see, no joke, cleanser does not take everything off your skin. Always try to tone your skin. It helps to get rid of all the dirt, whatever muck or whatever you want to call it that's left behind from just washing your face. This takes it off. Just look at that. It does. And then I like to go back in, spray it, let it dry by itself, sit there, and then press it in. And then we are gonna do serum. Absolutely love this. Now the serum and the moisturizer, is what really tackles your hyperpigmentation and your dark spot. No, not saying that the cleanser aren't important, and the toner, those are definitely important to clean off the dirt and stuff. But now we're gonna get some serum in our palm, and we're gonna make sure that goes onto the skin. Press it in, rub it in, let it dry. Don't do nothing. Let it sit on top of your face, dries right there, and then you go ahead and add your moisturizer. Personally, I like to, when I'm using the moisturizer, I like to go on my neck area, behind my ears. I just use this thing everywhere. I struggle with eczema, and using the products behind my ears, it helps. So these products also helps if you do have eczema, especially with the moisturizer, keeping your skin moisturized. That really helps. Okay, so that's exactly what we're doing. I like to add a lot because it feels so good. Okay, girl, it is so good. Look. Guys, please moisturize your lips before bed. Keep those lips moisturized, okay? Anyway, we're done with that, done with the skincare. Feels so fresh, feels so good. I'm about to lotion my skin. I have to lotion my skin after taking a shower. It helps me relax. My skin is not dry and itchy, and I sleep good when I do that. So always lotion your skin. I lotion everywhere on my skin, like my complete body before I get dressed. I love to do that. It's a funny thing. When I was in Jamaica, I never used to use lotion that much. Funny, right? I guess because using the warm water and everything over here, that changes everything. Now I'm just using some mouthwash. I did go ahead and brush my teeth. I didn't show you guys that because, I mean, who wants to see nobody brushing their teeth? I always cut most of that part out of the video anyway. It is done. Time to go in my room. My husband wasn't home, by the way. He went out. So it was just me and the kids. And Kyra was in my bed. When I tell you this child woke up, look. Yes, she did. And I had to lay down with her. Like, girl, this part, I need to get rid of Olivia out my room. Like, for real, okay? For real. I had to lay with her, turn the lights off. Oh, I have a new fan, so I don't need to turn the switch. I can use the remote. You guys will see that video in the weekly vlog to come. But that is it, y'all. I had to end because it's bedtime. Thanks for watching. Bye.